This is my audience. Did you know braces have been around for 300 years and aligners have only been around for approximately 30 years? With the recent increase in the number of individuals seeking orthodontic treatment, demand for appliances that are both more aesthetically pleasing and more comfortable than traditional fixed equipment has increased proportionally. Dental braces are composed of a metallic wire and brackets glued into the teeth. Transparent aligners are a type of orthodontic device that is a clear plastic version of dental braces, and they are both used to straighten teeth. But which one is the best option? People need to consider a variety of factors before choosing one of these. They must think about the cosmetic part, the convenience, the compliance, the comfort, and the cost. Metal braces are pretty obvious, however, the extent to which they are evident is determined by the patient. In the article Braces versus Aligners, 5 Things to Consider 2020 said the small elastic are used in the braces to keep the wire secure, which is a problem and very noticeable for many younger patients. Using interesting colors or patterns to transform their orthodontic care into an accessory is a great approach to make it more entertaining. The use of clear aligners is a discreet technique to pursue orthodontic treatment. However, the complete transparency of aligners is not always assured. It really depends on the person. The transparency is determined by how thoroughly you clean them. Another thing to keep in mind is that aligners might emphasize a lisp or other speech difficulties while you get accustomed to them. However, this usually goes away fast, between 1 week or 2 weeks. Traditional braces come with a variety of bulky metal attachments and wire, increasing the risk of ulcers on the cheeks, lips, and tongue. Until you can come for an adjustment, orthodontic wax is an effective method to relieve the pain. It's simpler to spread out adjustment to reduce discomfort, since the course of therapy with aligners is set from the start. When it's time to switch to the next set of aligners, some patients experience discomfort. In the article Invisalign Clear Aligners 2022, it is mentioned that because aligners are smooth, the only discomfort patients experience is when aligners edges scrape against their gums. Diet will need to be adjusted while you have braces on your teeth. Some foods are difficult or painful to consume while wearing braces, and they can cause breakage, delaying therapy, or maybe even additional visits for repairs. Hard meals might produce damage, which can impede or interrupt your therapy. Sugary, sticky meals should also be avoided, since braces make you susceptible to decay. A bad diet affected with aligners, since they are removed to eat. They're easier. You will be able to consume every single meal that you enjoy or prefer. In the article Braces versus Aligner 2020 states that braces do not require as much of a responsibility that aligner does. You will need to take care of the braces the same way you take care of your teeth on a regular basis. But for aligners, you will need to take them on and off every single day, before and after eating, drinking, or even sleeping. You also need to make sure your teeth are brushed and clean before putting them back on. Braces are very cool, unlike aligners, which are just a clear plastic, since you get to choose different colors every month, allowing you to express and feel yourself. With braces, your process and treatment is non-stopping, while with aligners, there is a possibility that you may need to change trays and wait about 4 to 6 weeks for it, due to an unpredictable movement of the teeth. If you're not keeping track or being responsible with it. Braces have more flexibility than aligners when it comes to all types of smiles. Braces are mostly quicker than aligners when it comes to repairing or aligning. Both types of treatment are painfully are painful for around 2 or 3 weeks, and then you go back to normal. Braces focus on rotations, closing spaces, etc., while aligners focus more on refinements of the teeth. In the article, Traditional Braces versus Clear Aligners like Invisalign 2020 mentioned that patients should anticipate paying between $3,000 or $10,000 for orthodontic treatment based on the projected difficulty and length of the therapy, regardless of whether they select braces or aligners. Comprehensive and partial treatment plans describe the amount of time and effort required to attain the desired outcome. To sum up and reach a clear conclusion, both orthodontic procedures are excellent, but they're not always the best option for everyone. First, the dentists have determined what is it that must be fixed or repaired in your teeth, but braces are the ideal solution for me as a student who has barely any idea of what day it is. They don't take as much time to maintain as aligners do, and they don't leave any tiny gaps between the teeth in order to let a clear plastic slide through. I really appreciate being able to choose and change colors on a monthly basis. Therefore, I believe braces are better than aligners, and everyone should take care of them and take that into consideration as well. Thank you.